Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain you about the motion. Okay, motion in one dimension especially. So when we talk about motion, we have few concepts through this flow chart we will understand. A body is said to be in motion if the position of the body changes with respect to a reference point, and when the position of the body do not changes, it is said to be in rest. Okay, so motion, change in position of an object with respect to a fixed position in time. Okay, so in motion we have few concepts like what is distance, what is displacement, what is the speed, velocity, what is acceleration, what is uniform speed, non-uniform speed, and what are the equations of motion we will see in this flow chart. So let's see. Okay, speed. When we talk about the speed, the distance traveled by the object in unit time, okay, it is called as speed, and it is generally a scalar quantity. A scalar quantity means it has only magnitude but no direction. Okay, usually objects are in non-uniform motion, therefore calculated average speed is equal to what? A distance by time. Okay, so average speed is nothing but total distance traveled by total time taken, and SI unit is what? A meter per second. Is it clear? So motion along a straight line, okay, the actual path traversed by the body is its distance. Okay, when we talk about the distance is the actual path covered by the body. Okay, and SI unit of distance is what? Meter. Distance is a scalar quantity, means it has only magnitude, no direction. When we talk about the displacement, the shortest straight distance between the initial and the final position of the body is called as displacement. Okay, so displacement is the shortest path between the initial point and the final point, and SI unit is what? A meter. Okay, whereas displacement is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means it has magnitude as well as direction. Is it clear? Now, what do you mean by velocity? The speed of an object moving in a definite direction is called as velocity. It is a vector quantity. It can be uniform or variable. Okay, when a speed is variable, expressed as average velocity, and SI unit is what? A meter per second. Is it clear? What do you mean by acceleration? When we talk about the acceleration, the rate of change of velocity, okay, or change in velocity per unit time is called as acceleration. So acceleration is nothing but the rate of change of velocity with time, and acceleration is a vector quantity. SI unit is what? Meter per second square. We have a uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration, very important. Velocity of an object increases or decreases by equal amount in equal interval of time, that is uniform acceleration. And when the velocity of an object increases or decreases by unequal amount in equal interval of time, it is called as what? A non-uniform acceleration. Okay, so we have also some graphs, distance time graph. So time taken on the x-axis and distance traveled is taken on the y-axis. Here this is the time versus distance. Okay, the speed of the when we talk about the slope of the distance time graph will give you the speed. So speed of the body is equal to slope of the graph. For uniform speed, the slope is inclined a straight line, okay, like this, uniform speed, and for non-uniform speed the slope is curved line like this, the curved line. Okay, and for a stationary object, slope is a straight line. For a stationary object, this is the time, this is the distance. So distance do not changes with respect to time. Similarly, velocity time graph, the time taken on the x-axis generally, and velocity is taken on the y-axis like this. So time versus velocity, and the slope of velocity time graph gives you the acceleration. So acceleration of the body is nothing but a slope of the graph. Distance or displacement, if you want to know, so you have to find the area covered by the graph. Suppose this is the graph given, so area covered by the graph, velocity time graph give you the distance. And for the uniform acceleration, accelerated motion, the slope is the straight line. For non-uniform accelerated motion, the slope is a curved line. We have three equations of motion. Okay, first is what? V is equal to u plus at. First equation is what? V is equal to u plus at. Okay, second equation is what? AC is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, and third equation is what? V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Here u is nothing but initial velocity, v is the final velocity, a is the acceleration, t is the time, s is the distance traveled. I hope you understood these flow charts. Okay, here you can see three equations of motions are written also. Here Second equation, First equation v is equal to u plus at. Third equation v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, and second equation s is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, we have two types of motion. One is uniform motion, other is non-uniform motion. Another one type of motion is also there in circular, called as circular motion, motion along a circular path. When a moving body in a circular path with a uniform speed, it is said to be uniform circular motion. Direction changes continuously in uniform circular motion. Okay, you should remember the uniform motion and non-uniform motion. If the object covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then it is said to be uniform motion. For example, a car traveling 2 km in 2 minutes, 2 km in another 2 minutes, 2 km in another 2 minutes. So an object is covering equal distances in equal interval of time. When you talk about non-uniform motion, an object covers unequal distances in equal interval of time, or equal distances in unequal interval of time. Okay, so the object covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. For example, a car moving in a crowded street. Okay, it is a non-uniform motion. Yes or no? So here I just now try to explain all the concepts of the motion. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.